going short the yuan has become a popular trade among hedge funds. According to the Wall Street Journal, David Tepper, Kyle Bass, David Einhorn are making bets against the Chinese currency. And those who follow the yuan closely say the Bank of Japan's surprise move last week strengthens their bearish case. Macquarie is estimating a 6% decline in the yuan by mid-year. Rabobank forecasting a 15% drop by the end of 2016. The idea is that if the Chinese economy continues to show signs of weakness as it did today with another disappointing read on manufacturing, policymakers will have no choice but to allow the yuan to depreciate as it helps lower the borrowing costs on companies that are sitting on high levels of dollar-denominated debt. It also makes their goods made in China more attractive to other countries, therefore presumably helping exports. Still, a number of China watchers say the government is trying to stabilize its exchange rate, and therefore investors should expect a gradual depreciation in the yuan, Michelle, rather than a one-off drop that we saw in August.
Like they've done on two occasions that totally sent the market. Now, these guys who are shorting the yuan, I mean, we don't know how big or how much of a decline, right? Because that negative carry, as you bet against it, can get very expensive if they
Exactly. We don't know the timeline or how big these bets are, but of course this has become a much more popular trade given the economic stress China is under. The question is, will the PBOC continue to use their currency as a way to boost growth, and will it work?
And it's daring too if they suddenly, the Chinese central bank decided they wanted to crush the speculators.
Yeah, absolutely.
They could do it. I mean, they have the weapons and the power. They could, you know, do capital controls and just raise margin requirements. They could hose a lot of people in a lot of ways.
And that's a big question. Going short the yuan is also making a bet against the Chinese government and that they won't actually embark on further weakening or strengthening. And that seems to be the case going forward. The Chinese using a trial and error approach to not only managing their economy, but their currency as well.
I know, it's been a little ham-handed so far. We'll see if they
That's what makes it interesting, I guess.
Yes.